Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to describe the different metabolic reactions with respect to amino acids. In other words, we can say amino acids metabolic reactions. One of the metabolic reaction with respect to amino acid is decarboxylation. Decarboxylation means the removal of carbon dioxide from amino acid, and the resultant product is the formation of amines. So as we know, in amino acid we have alpha carbon, to which one side is carboxyl acid, the second bond attached to the alpha carbon is amino group. On one side is the H hydrogen, and on the fourth bond can be a side chain or the simplest amino acid, which is glycine. It is the hydrogen. So this is the general skeletal structure of an amino acid. When it is catalyzed by the enzyme decarboxylase, there is a removal of carbon dioxide, and the resultant product is known as the amines. For example, the formation of gamma aminobutyric acid, which is commonly known as GABA, from the amino acid glutamate. So in this reaction, which is catalyzed by glutamate decarboxylase enzyme, there is a removal of carbon dioxide from carboxyl acid, and the resultant product is known as gamma aminobutyric acid or the GABA. Another example is the formation of histamine from amino acid histidine. There is a removal of carbon dioxide, and resultant product is known as histamine. So these are some of the examples of decarboxylation of amino acids. Then we have another type of reaction which is known as deamination. That is the removal of amino group in the form of ammonium ion. So one example is the formation of alpha ketoglutarate from glutamate amino acid. This reaction is catalyzed by the enzyme glutamate dehydrogenase, that is, there is removal of hydrogen. This is carried by NADH, which is a hydrogen carrier, and there is removal of ammonium ion. So from the glutamate, there is a formation of keto acid, and this is alpha ketoglutarate. Another example is the formation of pyruvate from serine with the removal of ammonium ion, and this reaction is catalyzed by the enzyme serine deaminase. One more example is the formation of glycoxylate from glycine. Here the enzyme which is catalyzing this reaction is glycine oxidase. So there is a formation of water from oxygen with the removal of ammonium ion, and the end product is glyoxylate. So this is the second type of reaction, that is the deamination. Another type of reaction is known as transaminations. This is the transfer of an alpha amino group from the alpha amino acid to alpha keto acid, and so there is a transfer of amino group from one to another. So this is what is transamination, and there are two very important transferases, that is the enzymes which catalyze such type of reaction. One is aspartate aminotransferase, commonly known as AST. Another is alanine aminotransferase, commonly known as ALT. So alanine is in alkaline condition, whereas aspartate is in acidic condition. So these two enzymes are very important liver enzymes, and the reaction that ALT, also known as GPT, the full form of GPT is glutamate pyruvate transaminase, because the two raw thing which take part in this reaction are L-glutamate and pyruvate. So the name glutamate pyruvate transaminase. There is a transfer of amino group from glutamate to pyruvate. As a result, Glutamate forms alpha ketoglutarate and pyruvate forms L-alanine. So on the basis of this alanine, the enzyme is also known as alanine aminotransferase, and this enzyme is functioning at alkaline pH, and this enzyme is very important in a liver enzyme. That's all in this video. Hope you like this video. Kindly share this video and hit the subscribe channel.